Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to continue working on the bookcase. Got to go and see what I've got in my wood store. Just make use of what I've got really. Bit of upcycling and recycling. How did your Christmas go? Did you eat too much? Yeah, I think we're all a little bit guilty of that. So let's try and work those calories off and get straight into the video. I managed to source these before. Yep, they're all long enough. Let's see if I've got any wider planks inside the barn. Yep, that'll work. Yeah, it's a bit gnarly, but ain't we all? Yeah, I can cut out the damage, can treat it with some woodworm treatment. We'll give it a trim up. I'm sure I can do something with that. Let's go. Well, it's a freezing cold day, but the sun is out and it makes all the difference. Yeah, it's going to be close. I've got a big hole here. Now it does taper out the wall, so I'm trying to orientate it in the right way round. It's just about on that hole, so I think I can still do something with it. I'm sure I can make it look good. So I'll get some measurements, make it work. Always looks so rotten on the outside when you look at that oak. Absolutely beautiful, solid as anything. Now my initial markings, it just doesn't cut out all that waste area, so I'm going to kind of mirror what I was going to do, move the marks to the left, so hopefully we'll get rid of all this damage in the wood. A bit of careful measuring, I think I'll be okay. I'm hoping it's going to be tight to start with. Too tight, yeah. Okay. Just installing the second noggy now below this shelf, so we've got another one running through here. Let's go and see what we've got in our stores. You know, I could have gone out and bought all the timber in one go from a wood yard. Would have cost quite a lot of money, but where's the fun in that, eh? I could have probably done it in half the time, but it's not just about the time. It's about using the resources that I've got. A lot of this planked stuff was stacked in the cottage and had been in there for years. So I'm keen to reuse it, albeit if it takes me just a little bit longer. Yeah, it's certainly too good for firewood. We are getting quite rustic. Hey, look at that, it's got ivy growing on it, or it did have, you know, wherever it was stacked. Let's get these out into daylight. Yep, very good. Is it wide enough? Yeah, just about. That ivy gets everywhere. rustic. What do you think? Yeah, that's a decent depth, I think. I think it's going to look quite authentic. You know, we've got a waney edge there, different thickness there. But once it's all sanded up and fitted in correctly, it will look like it's been there for quite some time, which is what I'm aiming for. And all this yellow timber, the framework that you see, well, that'll all be covered. There'll be sections like this cut that will go in between to face it off, give the shelf added strength as well. So that'd be great. Back staying open, as we mentioned. And on the face, we'll probably cut one of these down, cover over like that. Perfect. It may be rustic, but I like it to be level all the same. Okay, I need 23 centimetres that side and 20 that side, but the plank that I've got is 20 wide, so we're 3 centimetres short. But this is what I cut off with an earlier plank, so that is a possibility. Yeah, certainly chucks up some challenges when you're using old materials in an old building with a wonky wall. You know, this would have been done hours ago if it was square, flat and level and I had all the wood. There you go, it wouldn't be so interesting then, would it, eh? Oh, it's tight. It does fit. That's okay. I don't want to tap that down just yet. And we've got to figure out the gap at the back there. Okay. So to splice that thin piece in, it's easier to cut this big plank. So we're pretty much flush there. Fills the gap pretty good actually. Just a little, yep. If it falls through it means it's going to fit, so that's fine. We've got two flat edges to screw together too. Bit of glue when I come to preparing it. Yeah, that's great. Sometimes you just have to think outside the box. Work with what you got. Yeah, and for the top shelf, I've got a metamorphic chair. Well, let's try them in situ. There's only one way to find out. Will it hold my weight after Christmas? Well, it certainly gets me up high enough. Yep. Side catch there. Nothing complicated. Just very charming. Okay, that is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.